Hi everyone, and welcome to the complete Italian course, Learning Italian for Beginners. It's me, Graziano, and I'm very happy to welcome you on this new Italian course. I want to thank you for having purchased this course, and I cannot wait to see you improving your Italian or learning your Italian from scratch. So I'm welcoming you on the first actual lecture of this course, which will be about plural, and which is in Italian translated as plurale. So we start distinguish male plural and female plural because they are translated, or actually they've constructed in two different ways. So let's start with the male plural, or in Italian is plurale maschile. So we start with the male plural rule. Okay, in this course there are a lot of rules, especially in the grammar part, that I've given the name in these ways, like male plural, female plural, in order that you can always remember the rules about the grammar part. So basically, this rule is that in Italian, male names become plural by changing the last vocal with the letter I. So let's start. Let's see some examples. Three or threes, which is in English. In Italian is albero or alberi. Tables in Italian is tavolo and tavoli. Dog and dogs, basically in Italian is cane, cani. Okay, I hope that it's clear. So just reading again, the rule in the Italian names become, when they are in plural, they change the last vocal with the letter I. So we have the female plural or plurale femminile. So the female plural rule says that in Italian, female names become plural by changing the last vocal with the vocal E if the singular ends with the A, and change with the I when they end with the E, which is in Italian. Basically, the last vocal with the E if the singular ends with the A, and they change with the E when they end with the E. Let's see some examples, because I think that it can be a bit tricky just by reading the rule. Home, homes, which is in Italian casa, and the plural is case. So do you see the A is changed by the E. Carrot or carrots in Italian is carota, and the plural is carote. Chairs, sedia, the plural is sedie. Apple and apples in Italian are mela, the plural is mele. Let's see some Italian examples that we have words that finish with the E. Ship and ships in Italian is nave, and the plural is navi. Season and seasons in Italian are stagione, and the plural is stagioni. So I hope that through these examples, the rule is much more clear. So basically at this stage, we have decided to provide you some exercises to work on them, and I strongly suggest you to stop the video now, and we will work on the solutions all together in a couple of seconds. Okay, here we are the solutions, where basically the first question was to translate the following words from the English to Italian. The first one was dogs. In Italian is cani. Ships is navi. While the second question was to transform the following singular word in plural. Albero is alberi. Mela is mele. The question 3 was to translate in English the following plural words. So, carote, repeating, carote in English is carrots. Tavoli in English is tables. So, as first lecture, we stop here about plural, obviously, and if something is not clear, just leave a comment below. If you have suggestions, do not hesitate to leave them as a comment or just contact us directly. And I hope again that everything is clear, and I thank you for your attention, and I cannot wait to see you on the next lecture. Thank you again.